Statues are being toppled all over the land, especially statues of the people in this front quad. Never mind that Jefferson was the author of the words that have been more powerful to condemn slavery than any in history. Never mind that Madison wrote the document that secured the liberty of us all and a way for us to work together so we could rule ourselves. Over there's our war memorial. It's the oldest statue on the campus, and it's a monument to the people who left here to fight in the Civil War. Several of them won Congressional Medals of Honor. We had a big part in the Civil War of an intellectual kind, too, because there was nobody more abolitionist by theory and by practice, by faith and by reason than the founders of this college. A bunch of Christian patriots, classically educated. And you got to ask yourself, the people who are toppling these statues today, what have they done? How can they look at those people with anything except sublime respect? Look at them. Look at the risks they took. Look at the words they wrote. Look at the sacrifices they made, right? And today, we turn over their statues. But not here. This place, built by abolitionists, was built in respect to those achievements. And that respect is a product of the right kind of learning. That respect is the condition of freedom being able to continue in the land. Because, we are required to act now. We are in a mess in this country, and every fundamental thing is up for question, just like, by the way, 1776 and 1860. And we are blessed to have examples here, like James Madison, of how to comport ourselves. And we will follow those examples with the same determination they had. If they tear it down, we will build it back.